What is going on, YouTube? Glow here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do a little how-to and tip video on how I record my TikToks or my shorts or reels, whatever you want to call them, depending on the platform that you're uploading to. I've been doing TikToks for a little bit now, but more recently I've been focusing them on fashion TikToks and get ready with me's. So I'm just going to be going through that process really quickly here. Basically, when you get ready to do a TikTok, for me, I like to use music. So I'll choose the music ahead of time. You just have to have a little bit of preparation, and I'll choose the music ahead of time, what song I want to do the TikTok to. And the biggest thing for preparing is laying out my clothes. So what I'll do is I'll pick out what clothes that I want to show, what outfit I want to do, and that way I can see the colors, I can see which way it looks, and I just lay it out, put it all together, and that way I don't have any issue with that. So I'll have my clothes ready. Sometimes I'll do like kind of a before and after of me in like my pajamas or something, and then it's an outfit change. Sometimes it's more like a getting dressed. I add like a little makeup, jewelry, and then sometimes I'll show more than one outfit. So after I lay out my clothes, I'll see what I want to wear, and then set up my camera. I make sure that I have a nice organized space background that the camera is filming on. It's actually the nice thing about short format and long ratio videos is that they are pretty easy to film. Actually, a lot easier to film on than horizontal videos that I post on YouTube. So anyway, I'll set up my camera, make sure it's at a good angle, have a nice background. I like the plants and I've got like, you just kind of see the floors and the wall really clear so that you can see everything and the focus is on me. And then from there, I just try to like relax and have a good time. I enjoy that. I enjoy the music that I chose beforehand. And basically what I'm trying to do is just get some good shots of me dancing or posing with the clothes. I try to put in at least one good transition. So I'll either like kick my foot and it'll transition into the next section of the outfit, or I'll jump up and down and you see that transition right in the middle. And that takes a little bit of practice, but it is perfectly doable. It's not that difficult. And then you can see the before and after really quickly and easily, and it just changes the way it flows. And then afterwards, once I feel like I have a complete nice video, usually it's around, I don't know, 10 seconds or so, I'll put a caption down, some hashtags, and the text. I usually put a text at the beginning, and that text will kind of show what I'm doing with this video. So I'm either getting dressed up, or it's a get ready with me, or I'm talking about something specific with an outfit, and I'll add that little text at the beginning. So anyway, it's just a lot of fun. It doesn't take a long time, and but that's my process for it, and then I'll post it. So it's something that I'm still learning. I want to get better with it, but it's a nice addition to my brand. And if it's something that you want to learn, if you're just learning TikTok or you want to post some shorts or some reels, then starting with like outfit changes and learning transitions and how to put yourself in front of the camera is a great way to start that. So that's basically it. Those are my tips. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to you guys next time. Thanks so much.